morning, students. Today, you're going to be completing your second warm-up in your Atlantic Slave Trade Digital Notebook. I'm going to show you how to access everything. So once you get into your agenda here, you're going to click on this DINB link, which will bring up the Canvas page for your digital notebook. You can open this in your Drive if you prefer. Once you get into your copy of your digital notebook, you want to navigate down to slide 5, and we're going to be adding our second warm-up in the bottom box of this slide. To access the questions, you'll go back to your agenda and click on the link that says warm-up number 2. Go ahead and scroll down to the third slide, and these are the questions that you'll need to answer. As a reminder, you just need to copy down the purple sentence starters and fill in your answers. You do not need to write the questions. So you'll complete that here in your bottom box on slide 5. If you're not sure about the answers, you can read through your notes on slides 6 and 7 to help you fill that in. Okay. If you were absent and don't have the notes, you're welcome to get them from a classmate, or if you shoot me an email, I can send them off to you. That's not a problem. Going back to our agenda today, once you're done with your warm-up, it says to summarize your Cornell notes on slides 6 and 7 of your notebook. So yesterday you should have completed the left side questions. Today you're going to navigate down to slide 7 and you're going to fill in the summary box. The summary should be no more than maybe 4 sentences, maybe 5 sentences. An easy way to create your summary is to very briefly answer each of your left side questions. In doing so, you'll have summarized all of the notes, and it should be much shorter than what you initially wrote. So read through all your notes again, read through your left side questions and the essential question, and then go ahead and write a summary of the information in the summary box on slide 7. Okay? Once you guys are done with that, if you do need to finish your middle passage analysis, it's going to be due tonight before midnight. So if that's something that you need to get done that you weren't able to get done yesterday, you can go ahead and get that done. Otherwise, you can go to nearpod.com. I put the link here on our agenda, and you're going to use this code QT4PL to access our Nearpod review for your Atlantic Slave Trade quiz. The review has pretty much everything on it, but anything that's in your digital notebook or in your middle passage analysis assignment is fair game for this quiz, so make sure you're reviewing those materials as well. The Nearpod can be done as many times as you need to get everything correct, so make sure if you miss some, you do this multiple times to ensure that you'll do well on your quiz. If you're finished with everything and you feel really confident about your quiz and you've studied really well, you can read in class if you have any extra time. Just so you guys know, there are no retakes on quizzes, so I only do retakes on tests. This won't have as big of an impact on your grade, but since we're at the start of the term, it would be better to do well on it so that your grade doesn't look bad over the next couple of weeks. The other thing I want to point out is your digital notebook, your slave trade digital notebook that we've been working in is also going to be due Wednesday, tomorrow. You can leave it open if you need to finish any of the pages in it. If you never did your vocabulary, you can access the glossary on the same page where you opened your digital notebook. It's right here. And then if you missed the warm-up from Monday, it's still linked on our agenda. It's in the same warm-up slides. If you never did your map in your interactive notebook on slide 9, you can go ahead and read the information on slide 8 to get an idea of where to place these in your drag and drop map. But if you aren't done, you want to make sure all the slides in here are finished before Wednesday, the 4th. That is when you'll need to turn in your slave trade notebook. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm just in the library, so you can pop over and ask me, or you can shoot me a message. Have a good one.